Hi there, it's Dr. Gayle Maguire, a naturopath in Calgary, Alberta. I'd like to show you a little trick today about how to decongest your nasal passages, also help clean out a sore throat and prevent some issues there. Great techniques for allergies, any of the sinus congestions and sore throats that are going around right now. I see this a lot with my pediatric patients, but also a lot of my flight attendants and patients that travel a lot on aircraft as well. So just stick with me here. I'm going to explain a little bit about how your body cleans itself out. What it's trying to do with your lymphatic system is basically clean the blood. And your lymph and your lymph nodes are a big part of that. So you'll see, and you often hear about people getting swollen lymph nodes. What we're going to try and do with this technique is drain them a little bit, and you'll feel it right away within minutes. Hopefully you'll feel your nose drain, or your throat will feel better probably the next day after trying this a few times. So what we need to do first, we're going to try and drain the whole lymphatic system of the upper neck and head. So what we want to do first is open up the bottom. So what you do here is you find that big ropey muscle that you've got on the side of your neck here. It kind of starts at the back and rotates around here. That's called your sternocleidomastoid. You want to go just a little bit behind it. So you've got a little bit of a pocket or a divot right here. And you just want to pulse on here. Tap on it a few times. Okay. And what you're doing here again is opening the bottom so that when we get to the top, we're going to have the bottom side opened up. Okay, so we tap on both sides a few times. You can do this at the same time. This is a great thing to do when you're stuck at a red light as well. Okay, eventually then you're going to start to drain the lymph nodes that are inside that muscle and behind it and on top of it. You've got lymph nodes all throughout here. So stroke your side of your neck down that muscle a few times as well. We're going to keep doing this, and we're going to keep coming back to this again. We're trying to drain fluid and all these antibodies and bugs basically that your body's trying to clean out. Next, you can go inside the TMJ joint. So this is the little area right in front of your ear, kind of where your jawbone inserts. You can feel that there. And we're going to drain that back towards the ear and then down that muscle again. Okay, so swipe. And this is good pressure too. It doesn't have to be terribly deep by any means. Okay, this is almost, I would think of this as the amount of pressure that you would use to apply lotion. Okay, and again, both sides are doing this. Drain that a few times. Then you can go up above the eyebrows and start to drain some of those. Again, make sure you get back to that TMJ joint and then continue down the neck. You don't have to do that every time, but once in a while, go down the neck. Okay. Also get above the eyes, get right into the corner of the eyes. Go above the eyelids, below the eyelids, get the whole cheekbones as well. And you're always going back to this point. Again, it's about 2 fingers in front of the ear. Go down, back, and down the neck. Okay. You can also go under the jaw as well, and down the neck. And with the pulsing, and again, do that probably about 6 to 10 times. Okay, hope that helps.